is an eagle. It has a hook-like beak. Where are the eagles? Go and look for them. I found them! Eagles live high up on the treetop. The eaglets are learning to fly. The eaglet is a little scared. Its mother encourages it to fly. Drag the eaglet. Don't bump into trees. Wow! The eaglet has finally learned how to fly! Great work! The eagle comes to the sea to look for food. Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast! Make sure to find this fish. It caught a fish! Fantastic! Make sure to find this fish. And another one! Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The daddy eagle has found so much food. All the eaglets have eaten their fill. They're so happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Eagle. Let's play again next time. This is a swallow. It has a scissors-like tail. Where are the swallows? Go and look for them. I found them! Swallows live under eaves. Oh, baby swallows have outgrown the nest. They need a new nest. We need these materials to build a new house. Branch, clay, feather, feather, branch, clay. We've found all the materials we need. Fabulous! Let's help the swallows build their nest. Wow! How beautiful the new nest is! Let's decorate the new nest. Feathers can make the nest more comfortable. Put the baby swallows into the nest. Swallows love eating bugs. So delicious! I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Swallow. Let's play again next time.